I knew I wanted to go into something medical, but I didn't really want to be a nurse or a doctor. Once I kind of started looking into the program and realizing the spider web that the degree offers, that's really where the interest took. Like, it's not just one thing, it's so many different modalities under one big umbrella.
I find it to be really helpful to learn in a smaller environment, and specifically in this lab that we're in right now.
Right now, I feel like I could work right now, honestly. I feel that much prepared because we learn everything we need.
You could be part of a CT team, you can be in general x-ray, you can be part of the cardiac cath lab, which is my personal internship. So you can do so many different things. You're responsible to make sure the doctors and nurses see what they need to see.
Our program here on campus actually has the most clinical hours out of all of the ones on this campus specifically, including nursing and dental. So we're constantly doing things, to pursue our education.
Sorry, we're very close, and it's not like we're competing for anything. We all want to make it out of here. It's not like there's one position, like we want everyone to make it.
It's full-on, hands-on experience. I mean, your first semester, you're kind of just learning the basics, you're getting comfortable in the lab, but you have a chance to, touch the equipment before you're out in the real world.
They will constantly push you through the lab setting and clinical setting to be clinically competent.
I think with the smaller class size, the professor is able to, focus on you and how you like to learn things. And it's easy to go up to them and just ask questions. It's like less intimidating as well.
UC Blue Ash is unique. They do things here differently in a really good way. I find that it is extremely helpful to be close to your professors.
Use your professors as much as you can because they're there to help you and they want you to succeed.
You have the smaller classes, you have the kind of calmer pace, you have all of the support structures that you need, and you're not lost in a crowd. You really feel like you count as a person. You're not, one of thousands.